What is 0.875 in expanded form? Expanded form means we have to write the place value of each digit with plus sign. So look, 0.875, this equal to place value of 8. Look, after decimal, the first column is called tenths column, then hundredths column, then thousands column, THS. But before decimal, the first column is ones column, the second column is tens column, the third column is hundreds column. So this is in tenth column. So the place value of 8 will be 8, the name of the column, tenth. That is the digit itself times the name of the value of the column, tens column, plus 7 is in hundredths column. After tens column we have hundredths column. So 700 is the place value of 700. AC 100 TRED THS is common. 700 plus 5 is in thousands column. So 5 thousands. THOUSAND thousands. So actually this is the expanded form. Now you can also rewrite this 8 times tenths means 1 over 10. 7 hundredths means 7 times 1 over 100. Then 5 thousandths means 5 times 1 over 1000. You can also rewrite this 8 by 10 plus 7 by 100, 5 by 1000. So 0.875, this is the expanded form. You can also write this 10, 100, 1000, these are called power of 10. Just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. So this is the whole number, so decimal point will appear here. So move here, decimal 0.820. So decimal point will appear here, then 1, 2. This here you will get a placeholder 0, and 3 digit 3 0. So 1, 2, 3. So decimal 005. So this is the expanded form of this.